Hi guys, Joy Williams Beauty here. Many of you know that I won the 2021 New Talent Stylist of the Year from the Texture Style Awards, as well that I placed out of the 4 photos that made it to the finalist. I placed 2 of them. So I am here to do my unboxing video. Right after the awards were aired, I was traveling across the country doing pageants and taking care of various clients. I went to Mexico last week, so I am just now getting home. Love what I do, blessed to do what I do, but I definitely wanted to get into this box. Let me show you all of the blessings that the sponsors from the Texture Style Awards have sent. You ready? First of all, look at this. I mean, there's not even room on my table, on my coffee table, for the amount of goodies. Thank you guys. Babyliss Pro sent this awesome nano titanium dryer. It has the diffuser, the concentrator nozzle, the comb, which is important to do all textures of hair. Then we have Sebastian that came through with the shaper. Come on, shaper and shaper. On this, I have really been wanting to try. I'm super excited to see it here, which is a dark oil. We have the craft clay, the mousse forte. I've never used that product, but I'm definitely gonna use it. We have the Sebastian Potion number 9, because you know, you can never get enough of that stuff. Ceramic rollers, like the self-grip rollers. So definitely, those will definitely come in handy when I'm doing dry sets on the road. We have hair clips, carbon combs. Oh my gosh. Hey, what's that? Hey, New Talent Stylist of the Year award. Of course, my girl Monet. And here's the thing about it. I already had this book. I purchased this book because I felt like it was something that was definitely needed in my repertoire. So I will be gifting or doing a giveaway for one of these books, not both of them, because I need one for home and one when I'm traveling. But definitely I'll gift one of these to a special person. Get out of your own way. How many times have I said that to myself? 25 insider tips for booking celebrity hairstyling clients. So I'm definitely grateful for those books. Yes, thank you for making the inaugural Texture Style Awards a major success. We disrupted the beauty industry. Yes, and we celebrated diversity. Congrats to all the finalists. All the winners. Nioxin came through. Look, instant fullness, thickening gel, bodifying foam, thickening spray, more instant fullness dry cleanser. This is kind of like a dry shampoo. So I will definitely be using this one. But it's also going to give fullness. So that's super, super important, especially when I'm doing all textures, when I'm doing pageants and things like that. And those girls want a lot of fullness in body. Even my regular salon clients, Wella, I have not forgotten about you. Look at all of these blessings. Look at this. Sugar Lift. Come on, Sugar Lift for voluminous texture. You have a cream gel. I'm excited to use that. I can't wait to see the weight of it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to do a review video for each particular collection, because this is just so much and I don't want to spin by them too quickly, because each of them deserves its own praise. Like Fromm with these brushes, listen, this vent brush, this rubber grip, oh, that's going to be amazing to get through all types of hair. Then we have the boar bristle brush from Fromm, as well as, oops, I have another one over here, as well as the round brush. So all of these amazing blessings. So thank you again to Sebastian, Nioxin, Wella, Fromm, all of the sponsors that had anything to do with us, with the Texture Style Awards, and highlighting and giving a platform to stylists that are doing all textures of hair, not just 1 or 2. We appreciate you. We thank you. I definitely am going to use my beautiful blessings, and stay tuned for those review videos. Bye guys.